Ay abría mañana el gobierno local con el Zamboanga Hermosa Festival 2016. Según con el co-chairperson del festival, Christian Olasiman, ay tiene opening salvo por medio del Inter-Barangay Bandorial Competition mañana a las 3 del tarde que ay principia na City Fire Station para na Paseo del Mar. Y habla si Olasiman, 9 mga barrio na syudad ay participa na kompetisyon, donde el gana con el primer puesto ay recibe premio de 50,000 de peso, 30,000 de peso el segundo puesto y 20,000 de peso el tercer puesto. Este es según el segundo año que a cada parte del Zamboanga Hermosa Festival el Bandorial.
The opening salvo is scheduled to start at 3 p.m. Part of the opening salvo, taliel di aton inter-barangay bandorial competition. So we started it last year. We're making it bigger this year. We have around 9 barangays who confirm participation to the competition.
El alcalde Maria Isabel Climoco Salazar, según el quien ay encabeza con el opening salvo durante el programa na Paseo del Mar mañana. Ay tiene también según mga especial visita durante el programa igual el conocido rapper desde Manila, Glock 9, Hot Legs y otro pa.
Aside from the Bandorial, of course, the mayor will be there to give a message and to officially open through a countdown. And then we also have special guests coming in. We are expecting Glock 9 to be arriving and joining us for the program. He's a famous rapper known nationally. We also have other celebrity guests like Brian Termulo. He's the Prince of ABS-CBN Kapamilya Team Songs. We have Hot Legs. We also have Christoph Garcia coming in. And we're also expecting the Loyola Meralco Sparks, who are having their football games today, to also grace the opening salvo tomorrow. We are expecting the likes of James Yang Hasbang and Phil Yang Hasbang, Anton de Rosario, among others, to also be there during the opening salvo.
Ay empecé también mañana el Smokeout Zamboanga Grilled Food Fiesta, donde tiene según 20 mga participantes, más manada compara del Paseo Hermosa Festival, donde tiene lang 10 mga participantes. Mañana también ay principia el Grand Midnight Sale na Artelin Boulevard y el Cosechas de Zamboanga na Plaza Pershing. Si Olasiman niya habla, mayoría del mga actividades del Hermosa Festival este año, amo lang siyempre el mga actividades del pasado año, pero mas mucho según el mga participantes para este año.
There are a few things that we started last year that we are continuing this year. So this is still relatively new. The Parade of Lights is still there, including the Aton Smoke Out, the Aton Midnight Sale. All of this are something new that we are offering to the public, but at the same time we are upgrading and expanding it. For Smoke Out, for example, last year we have around 10 concessionaires joining. This year we have 20. For the Regatta, for example, last year we had 180 Vinta participants. That's the biggest ever. But for this year, it's 250. That's even more than what we had last year. So we are expecting the competitions this year to be bigger and grander than last year.
Asegura si Olasiman que hay in place ya todo para na Zamboanga Hermosa Festival, especialmente el asunto de seguridad. Marifita Mayo, Dateline Zamboanga.